Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the most powerful MT4 indicator. Using this you can earn thousands of dollars very easily per day. For this, first you have to understand this indicator. If you leave the video in the middle, then you will make loss a lot in the market. I will tell you in which situation you have to execute a trade. And after that, I will tell you in which situation you should not execute the trade. So at this position, we will execute buy trade. Here you see the sell red color arrow has been created. After that, you see the market has come down here. The blue line has been converted to the red line. So that's a good confirmation. And we'll set our stop loss on the red line. And we will book our target of profit when next buy signal is generated. Now let's look at another situation. You should be seeing a lot of signals now. We will now trade on all these signals that you see on the screen. If you use the method I am going to tell you now, then your winning ratio will decrease, but your profit will not be affected. Now let's look at another situation. You should be seeing a lot of signals now. We will now trade on all these signals that you see on the screen. If you use the method I am going to tell you now, then your winning ratio will decrease, but your profit will not be affected. First of all, you can see it here. The line is of red color. This means on the market downtrend. After this we will do only one thing, we will execute our trade on all the red color arrows that will be created. But the matter does not end there only. We have to focus the most on our profit booking. After executing your trade, you have to book your profit on the first white color candle that will be created. This is the most important part of this trade method. Now we will look at some more situations and learn about them, so that you can understand better when trading. So we will execute our first trade here. And we'll set its stop loss on this blue line. And after a while when the green arrow will be created here in this way. So let's do another trade, execute with less volume. And set the stop loss for this trade just below the green line. And we will book our profit on this position. Because market already given profit of more than 1:2. And also here the arrow of red color has been created. You will get profit ratios up to 80%. If you use the indicator in this way then. So till now, we have known in which situations we have to execute the trade. But now we will talk about which situations we should not trade. You can watch it now. There is too much volatility in the market and nothing is being understood properly. So whenever you see such a situation or you do not understand it, in what condition is the market, then you will sit quietly and watch. You don't have to trade at that time. Watch again. Cannot understand anything. Where's the market trend? Where will the market move? So in this situation, you do not have to execute your trade. So in this short video, I tried to give you as much information as I could about this indicator. If you need any more information above this indicator, you tell in the comment box below. I will try to tell about it in the next video. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.